Hello, today I'm going to show you how to import a list of contacts into Indition. So this is the same thing as uploading a spreadsheet, uploading in bulk, any of those terms. So once you're logged in the left-hand navigation here, go to Contact Lists under Contacts. Once you're on the Manage Contact List page, you'll either want to create a contact list or go to an existing contact list. So I'll create one. I'll name this Demo Contact List. I'm not going to go over the details of a contact list, that is covered in another video. But in the Added Contacts tab of a contact list, you can go to Actions and choose Import. And this is how we're going to import contacts into this list. From here, you want to choose the file that you want to import. So if you already have your contact list ready, you can just choose that file and then you'll map the columns in that list to different contact fields that we have. And you'll see that screen next. Or if you don't have one ready, you can download this template, which I'll use. And you can enter your information in here. Or maybe it's easier just to copy and paste your existing contact information in here. So I'll add someone named Demo Contact and we'll give them an email. And then I'll do Demo 2. So now I have two contacts in here with very minimal information, first name, last name, and email. The bare minimum we need is just email. Now we'll save this list and I'll go back to my import contacts list screen. I want to choose the file that I just downloaded. I'll hit continue. And you'll see here, this is our mapping screen. If we see that the column name is first name and we have a field for first name, we'll automatically make that connection for you. But if any of these are left blank, which none of them are because I used our import template, you could just simply click on this drop down and choose which field you want to map your Excel column to. When you're done with this mapping, simply click Import at the very bottom, and the import will take place. If there's a lot of different contacts that you're going to be adding, it may take some time and you'll see a message saying we'll do this in the background, and then you can just hit save on your contact list and then contacts will be added. So you can see I have my two contacts that I added in there now in my list, and all I need to do is hit save, and these contacts have been added to my account. So not only are they in my contact list, but they're also contacts if I just go to Manage Contacts. And that is how you bulk upload or bulk import contact lists into Indition.